Okay, we're going to take what we've done the last couple days and squish them all into one happy problem with multi-step inequalities. So tackle these the same way you would have your multi-step equations. It's just remember, anytime you multiply or divide by negative, stop, ask yourself, did I multiply or divide by negative? If yes, switch the sign and continue. So for 2a, it looks like the first thing I'm going to try might be to subtract 10 maybe. That looks good. So 23 minus 10 is 13. And it looks like I need to divide by -2. Look at that, multi-step. That's what we're doing today. Whoa, stop, stop, stop. Did you divide by a negative? Yes. All right, then switch the sign. And let's see, -13 divided by -2. I'm sorry, positive 13 divided by -2 is -6.5. And, read the directions. It said solve each inequality. Did it say graph? No. So we don't have to graph this time. Yay-os. Let's see. Can we get some more complicated ones in? Let's try 4a maybe. Looks like maybe we might have to use the distributive property or some division. There's actually two different ways you could tackle this. You could try distributing. That will give me 30z minus 18 is less than or equal to 36z. And now you can solve from there. I'm going to subtract 30z. Gives me negative. Now hang on. If I'm adding or subtracting a negative number, do I have to switch the sign? I don't think so, because the rule said if you multiply or divide by negative. It didn't say anything about addition, subtraction. So I think I'm good to just leave the sign. And so next, that means I do get to divide. Whoa, whoa, stop. Did you divide by a negative sign? No. Okay. So that means I can just leave the sign the way it was. You only flip it if it was negative. All right. Look, got my answer. Sweet deal. Oh, this time it says graph the number on a number line. Okay, I can do that. So -3, circle or dot. It would be a nice happy dot. Extra ink, extra ink. And let's see. This says, if I flip it around, z is greater than or equal to -3. Bigger numbers are on the right. And we're good to go. Let's try 5a. Oh, I was going to show you the other way you could have tackled this problem. You could have chosen to immediately divide by 6, and what you would have ended up with was 5z minus 3 is less than or equal to 6z. If I just simply divided everything by 6 from the first step, right here, okay, that would have eliminated the 6, and there would have been no need for the distributive property, and you could have solved from there. That's supposed to be a minus sign. Okay, I ended up with the same answer either way. All right, real quick, I want to do 5a. So this time, immediately dividing away from the parentheses isn't going to work because I've got addition subtraction over here, so that kind of messes that little trick up. So I'll go ahead and distribute. Don't forget that negative sign needs to track with that 3 all the way through, so it should be minus 12. And let's see, we have -24c plus 6. Plus 6, drag that negative sign with it. I like to start by getting my variables together. So I'm going to add 24c. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And, looks like something interesting has happened. They've actually both canceled, which leaves me with 18 minus 12 is greater than or equal to 6. And let's see, 18 minus 12, that would be what? 6? So now I have to stop and ask myself, is this a true sentence? 6 is greater than or equal to 6. Now I know you're thinking, well, no, 6 isn't bigger than 6. But that's not what I asked. I said, is 6 bigger than or equal to 6? and it is equal to 6. So this gets to be all reals. And if I haven't shown you this symbol yet, that little symbol means all reals. It's just kind of the shorthand way of writing that.